welcome back to our channel. You already know who it is. It's your girl Natalia and NicNatNai. So today we are going to be doing lip balm. So the stuff that we have today, I have some napkins just in case we make a mess, a bowl, we have some wax, and we have some wax chips, and we have some powders to change the color of the lip balms. And we have the containers, the cup, we have the spoon and the spatula. And we have a marking case. My mom is going to be reading the directions for the stuff.
Okay, step 1. Using the spoon, place 3 scoops of scented wax base into the measuring cup. A little bit more than that.
A little bit more. Get this and scoop it out.
Okay, while she's doing the scoops, Natalia, you're going to add 1/4 bag of the wax chips. That's about 34 pieces.
Put it into the bowl.
No, you're going to add it to this. Let me open it for you.
Okay. Remember to do 3. 1 inside.
Are you counting them, Natalia?
Wait.
So put that down and then add the pieces in. Okay, that should be enough.
And 1. This 1, 2. That's enough, Mommy?
Yeah. So you want to fill this.
Up.
And then put 2 more of that.
Scoop it out with that.
If you want a harder balm, add more wax chips. For a softer balm, use less wax chips.
We want ours to be very soft, so this is how much wax chips we're going to put inside of it. We could get this out, maybe. Okay, put another scoop.
Okay. Step 2, have an adult fill a shallow bowl with boiling water.
Do we have to pour?
Step 3, place the measuring cup inside of the cup with boiling water. Use one hand to firmly hold the measuring cup down and the other hand to stir the mixture with the stirrer stick. So you're going to put that there. Natalia, you're going to hold this down. Can you see how it, let it go? See how it floats? You don't want it to float. So you're going to hold it down in the water. And Chin, you're going to stir.
Okay.
Yeah, hold it down. And keep stirring.
Basically, this is just going to melt the wax and the wax chips. Good job.
Keep stirring. This is step 4. Keep stirring until the formula turns to liquid. Once this is done, add 1/2 scoop of the mica powder of your choice. So keep stirring and let me know when it is melted. Keep stirring. Stir, baby. Circles. It's going to take some time, but keep going. Is the water hot enough?
Yeah, it's really hot.
Yes, it's really hot. Don't burn yourself.
And it's steaming. Wait.
If you guys want to switch positions, that's fine.
I want to switch positions.
So you hold it down and mix stir. Let me see. Let me put some more water in it.
Can you put water? Oh.
Hold on. Watch your fingers. Okay.
Come on, mix stir. I am. Stir it. Come on, mix stir. This is how it looks when it's fully melted. This one is mine.
Okay. So you guys are going to now add the mica color powder of your choice. The more you add, the darker the color will be. You can even mix two colors together to make your own custom color. You're going to mix thoroughly and simply pour your lip balm into the container. So which colors do you want, Chin?
I want purple.
You want only this color, or do you want to mix something?
I just want to mix something with this little bit and this little bit.
So I'm just going to put a little thing in it. Okay, give it to me. So this is Chin's.
Yep.
So you just want this color?
She wants to mix them. I want to mix lines.
You want to mix it with yellow, you said, babe?
I want to mix, yeah. Let's see what color.
Okay, stir that in the meantime.
Let's see what
Put
color.
it in the hot water and stir.
Let's see what color pink and yellow makes.
Okay, here. Hold on.
I'll hold it down.
You want to keep it in the hot water so that
The powder come out.
the wax doesn't harden. And keep mixing. And you're going to be using this purple one?
Yeah.
Okay.
She has purple and green. I need blue. And pink. Ow. Sorry. The water burned me, but it's okay.
Keep mixing.
Peach. You guys, the pink and yellow makes like orange. Wait, get up for a second. This is the color that pink and yellow makes. I don't know if it makes this color with paint, but this is what it makes with the powders. It's kind of like red and orange. And it's getting softer, but we need it to melt a little, so when we put it in the container, it could get dry so we can put it on our lid. And it's very glittery.
Okay, is it good? Are you ready to pour it in?
Yep. Yeah. Wait, we need the blue.
Okay, so let's pour this inside. Take the stick out. Take the stick out.
Can I get another napkin? I don't need another napkin. Here. It hardened on my finger a little.
Okay, so scrape that in for me. Scrape the rest in. So when this is all in, you have to let it sit for 2 hours.
So that it could harden up and it could be real lip balm.
Yes.
This is how it's gonna turn when it's done.
Okay, so step 5, let it dry for 2 hours. Hardening time of lip balm may vary depending on temperature of the room. Step 6, think of your own name to label the balm depending on the flavor or color. Write down a name on the label provided on your container with a marker. Now you are ready to use your own lip balm and carry it wherever you go. So Chin, what do you want to name it?
Pinky.
Pinky?
Yeah. Pinky Balm. No, I just want to name it Pinky.
So she named it Pinky, so you just write the label on it. Okay.
I love you, Pinky. We'll be back when all of the lip glosses are done. So we finished all of our lip glosses or chapsticks, whatever you want to call it. So these are my two. I did one by itself, like one color by itself. Then I did a layered one. This one has green, gold, and pink. And these are mine. I have gold, purple, and blue, and I just got this color, peach, and these are mine. I named this one Pinky, and I'm gonna name this one Strawberry. And my names are this one. I'm gonna name this one Minty. And since this one has like a lot of colors and is mixed together, I'm gonna name this one Mixed Dish. No, name her Rainbow. Mixed Dish. So we're gonna compare our lip glosses that we made to the lip glosses that we recently bought from the store. So this is how ours looks.
But remember, yours isn't finished yet. We have to sit for 2 hours.
This is how mine look, and this is how
we get to get the cat because it's not done yet. It needs to wait for 2 minutes.
For
and
2
this one's
hours.
been done already, so this one doesn't have to go already. I'm gonna put in my lipstick though, so I can put it on as I go.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching.
How do we clean up?
Oh, all you gotta do, you see this? All you gotta do is just put it inside of hot boiling water so that the wax can melt, and then you just pour it inside of your sink. So bye guys. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button and turn on those post notifications so that you'll be reminded to watch our videos every time we post something new. Bye!